And look at this deliciousness. It's tender and moist. Today we go for some rabbit. Here I have it already done, and we fry it inside here. So like only brown it a little bit. Don't go too high with the temperature. If it looks like this, just take them out. So lovely. All in with our onions and the carrots. We put back the rabbit and then we put some cider or white wine over it. And now it's cooking and we put on our lovely mushrooms and fill up with some broth. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Let it simmer. We're on a good way. After 30 minutes, we get rid of the liquid. We just hold it there and drain out the liquid. And we're gonna bind our sauce with some binder, whatever you have by hand. And now we reintroduce our sauce. Lovely. And look at this deliciousness. It's tender and moist.